hours after dawn we start anew. Every day a canvas sky so blue. With every heartbeat dreams come through. In the journey of life we pursue. Through the trials and the cheers, every joy and every tear, with every heartbeat we persevere. In the rhythm of life we're here. We are the dreamers, hearts so true. We are the voices breaking through.
Hi, my name is Queen Melina, and this is my first time to see Rafflesia Kemomo in Bengkulu, Sumatra Island, Indonesia. And yes, it is just a good. Like, it's not like the Philippines has a very big hole here, and I've seen the flies also. It doesn't smell as bad as the Philippine I've seen, but it's equally amazing. So hopefully you guys will take care of this. This is an evolutionary marvel. It's a botanical marvel, very unique in the plant kingdom. It is a parasite. It only grows on this vine right here, so it doesn't grow in soil. So it's really a treat to see it, because this is the largest flowers in the world that you can see. And this is just the medium size, not even the large. We're going to see the feature of later, and that's like about a meter in depth. So I'm hoping that also in the Philippines, where I'm originally from, we're going to have something similar, like in terms of ecotourism, because my fellow Filipinos don't really appreciate their Rafflesia species like here. So it's really a treat to be here. And see endemic Indonesian Rafflesia species. So thank you so much. Thank you, Sofian. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, you guys. Thank you for accommodating me and allowing me to see this treat right here. Bengkulu, the land of Rafflesia.